Hi guys, welcome back to Reading Time with Kaylin. Today, our story is going to be Mama Bird and Papa Bird. And as do you know why I'm reading this book? Well, in there's something when the mama bird has an egg. And this duck has eggs. I saw 5 eggs in her nest. And they were beautiful. So let's get started. And I also got this book signed by the author. Once upon a time, there was a papa bird and mama bird. Together they built a nest in a tree. See the mama bird, papa, and there you go. One day, the mama bird was just sitting in the nest. Papa bird was flying to and fro looking for the food. That's like a kiss for you and me. He would fly home and give mama bird a peck. That's like a kiss for you and me. Papa bird was good at finding food. He would fly back and forth to the nest, sharing his catch with mama bird. See? Nest and the nest. In the nest she sat, and oh boy, did she grow fat. Soon mama bird noticed something different. Her feathers did not quite fit the same. And as you see, the mama bird's a little big. And if you rewind it to the front of the page, that's mama bird. See how she's small right now? And right now she's big, just like that little duck. Then one day it happened. Papa bird and mama bird were very surprised. In their nest was a small round egg. How did they get there? They asked each other. The egg had no legs, no feathers, and no beak. See the egg? She has eggs on her belly. Well, I don't know what it is, but I will protect it from the cold, rain, and sleet. Papa bird noticed it did not move, so he was happy to let mama bird stay home and keep it warm. Quack! What was that? Quackity quack quack quack! Mama bird stood up and saw that the egg had now cracked. Little by little, the crack started to open. And baby bird jumped out. Oh, how lovely you are. Wait until Papa bird sees you. My darling, he will always wonder. See the egg? Then Papa flew. See how the duck is moving the beak to push the hay in? Then Papa bird flew back to the nest. He remembered to bring extra food. Mama bird was happy to see that instead of bringing food for 2 birds, he had plenty for 3. Baby bird was hungry. That was plain to see. Many days and weeks went by. Each night, mama bird sang a lullaby. Baby bird tried to learn the song, but sometimes it came out all wrong. Ta-ha-wee, no. To-hee, no. And baby bird tried to repeat. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, baby bird, you always sound so sweet. Papa bird flew home one day. He noticed that it had been a while since baby bird was born in the nest. Soon there would not be room enough for all of them to rest. Papa bird told mama bird, you had better teach baby bird how to fly. Someday baby bird will be big enough and we will have to say goodbye. That means go bye-bye. Yes, baby bird fell to the ground. That was not very fun. Baby bird looked all the way up and said, how do I get back up? Mama bird giggled and she squawked, flap your wings like me. And she flew up, up, up. Baby bird was laughing and forgot all about the fall. Baby bird started flapping and in no time at all, baby bird was flying too. Baby bird wanted to tell Papa bird the good news. Papa, guess what? I can fly just like you and Mama. Papa bird had a tear in his eye. He said, tomorrow we'll hunt for food. Mama bird said, no, baby should stay here with me. Papa Bird said we will see. And so it goes with every bird. Some stay home and watch the nest, and others fly around to bring food for all the rest. If you were a baby bird, what would you do? Thank you for reading Papa, Mama Bird, and Papa Bird. This is one of my favorite stories because my dad always used to read this book. And this is a good place where this mama duck is laying her eggs, and all the other ducks are here in the big nice pond with turtles. Bye guys, please subscribe and like on this new video. Bye!